standings?
Well, you said it very well. We know this is going to be a very tough conference, very tough, tight race. But our objective coming to this ball game was just to make sure that we beat Terra Firma with our effort and our energy. We all know matagal na namin di natalo tong team na to. So, we don't have a really good record against this team. So we wanted to make sure that it doesn't happen this time. So I think that's what happened. Our starters got us off to a really good start with their defensive effort, and that permeated all throughout the ball game.
Thank you, Coach Shaw. Calvin, recently mas kontrolado at pasok na sa flow yung laro mo in the past 2 games. Hindi lang sa points, but also with your timing and decision-making. You mentioned one adjustment was you focusing more on rebounding. What other changes have you made para dito sa new identity that TNT is building?
Thank you, Lord, sa panalong to. Una sa lahat, hindi lang naman ako eh. I think everyone contributed in different aspect of the game, like sa rebounding and depensa. Credit to syempre kay Heruela, siya yung energy guy namin. I'm talking to him. I talked to him about that na siya yung dapat magbigay ng energy para naman paglabas namin may nandun pa rin yung presence namin. And syempre sabi ko nga I need to focus on rebounding kasi nga wala na si RSJ, pero looking at this game parang I think lahat nag-contribute sa rebounding. That's the good thing naman na contributing ng lahat ng players.
Thank you, Calvin. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, could you describe the past few days for TNT? Yun nga dahil nga hindi pa natatalo yung Terra Firma, was it an intense practice?
I guess the better person to ask is Calvin. What the intensity of our practices were the past couple of days. But we just wanted to make sure na hindi pa sayang yung huling panalo namin. I thought we had a big win against San Miguel, and we made sure wanted to follow it up with another good effort this time.
Coach, this kind of victory, you think bumabalik din natin TNT or just slowly progress na kayo?
Well, it's too early to tell. We have to play a lot more tougher games. And the good thing about this victory was we were able to rest a lot of our players because we have a very big game on Sunday against a very tough team. The sudden revision in schedule really kind of caught us by surprise. So now we wanted to use this as a jump-off point for Sunday, really preparatory to Sunday. Not that we were overlooking Terra Firma, but yun ang maganda sa linaro ng players today was it allowed us to rest our main players in preparation for Sunday. Sasalita lang, kinain pa yun.
Coach, ayun nga, sabi mo, may game kay Sunday, and then Wednesday, Friday, na tatlong sunod na yata yun.
Hindi, pahinga yata kami after Sunday. I think we have a long break after Sunday. Ano muna, that's why all of our focus now is for the coming games sa Sunday.
So, was it our breather to come out with back-to-back wins after starting the conference?
Yeah, because we're about to play the defending champs, right? Meralco is the defending All-Filipino champion. We know how hard they play. We know how strong they are in the rebounding department. So our rebounding is really going to be tested. And we have to make sure that we're able to match their inside prowess. And then we all know the strength of that team, how physical they play. So, like I said, I thought this is good preparation for Sunday.
Calvin, back-to-back na player of the game ka. Tingin mo ba ikaw yung nagiging mukha ng TNT franchise na with Jason Castro sideline for the rest of the season?
Ever since hindi ko inisip yun. back-to-back player of the game has nothing to do with me magiging face ng Tokentex because we have Jason Castro, we have RR Pugoy, we have Kelly Williams nasa roster pa. So ang importante lang sa akin is maglaro kami every game with intensity and determination na manalo palagi. Pinaka-importante talaga sa akin is manalo lang kami kasi we're trying to build our own brand of Tokentex right now. Not having Kuya Jason and Ronde in our roster right now.
Sa'yo wala nang ibabalik yung
Ano yan?
coach shop na kamusta yung naging practice?
After our win against San Miguel, coach told us na we have day break and 3 days practice to prepare Terra Firma kasi yun nga dalawang conference na coach, no? Dalawang conference na kami hindi na nanalo sa Terra Firma, so we need to train hard para sa larong to, and I'm happy na nagawa namin ngayon.
Congrats, Sir Cody.